Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the length of the side labelled X. And we've been given a triangle with vertices A, B, and C. The interior angle at C is 160 degrees, and the three sides are 4.5 centimeters, 5.5 centimeters, and X. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. For a non-right-angled triangle, such as this, there are two common methods we can use for finding the lengths of sides or the sizes of angles. Those rules are the sine rule and the cosine rule. If we know the lengths of two sides, the size of the angle opposite one of those sides, and we need to find the other angle and sides, we can use the sine rule. Or, if we know the size of two angles and the length of one side, we can use the sine rule to find the other sides and angle. If we know the size of all three angles, and we need to find the length of a side, we can use the cosine rule. Or, if we know the length of two sides and the angle between them, we can use the cosine rule to find the length of the third side. In this question, we are given the length of two sides and the size of the angle between them. And we need to find the length of the side opposite that angle. So, in this case, it's appropriate to use the cosine rule. Answering this question using the cosine rule is a four-step process. First, we label the sides of the triangle with the letters A, B, and C. Then, using the cosine rule, we substitute the values of the sides and angles given to us into the formula. Before evaluating the terms, to simplify the equation. Then, to finish, isolate x to find its value. So, to begin, we need to label the side opposite the vertex B with the lowercase letter b. Then do the same for A and C. For this question, the cosine rule is given as b squared equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b. Substituting the values of a and c, the two sides given to us, and b, the unknown side x, with the angle b equal to 160 degrees, we get x squared equal to 5.5 squared plus 4.5 squared minus 2 multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by 4.5 multiplied by the cosine of 160. Simplifying this, we get 121 divided by 4 plus 81 divided by 4 minus 99 divided by 2 multiplied by the cosine of 160, which can be further simplified to give us 101 divided by 2 minus 99 divided by 2 multiplied by the cosine of 160. This gives us a value of x squared equal to 97.0147728, and so on, which, in order to find the value of x, we need to take the square root of. That gives us a value of x equal to 9.85 centimeters, rounded to 2 decimal places. So the side labeled x and the answer to this question is 9.85 centimeters. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.